Man United's midfield is about to get a complete facelift. New manager Ruben Amorim is already planning a massive overhaul for next summer, and he's targeting two marquee midfielders. The names on his list are Nottingham Forest's rising star Elliot Anderson and Brighton's powerhouse Carlos Baleba. After the club splashed cash on attackers like Cunha and Sesko last summer, the focus is now shifting to the engine room. They might not even wait until then, with talk of a January loan move for Conor Gallagher. It seems Amorim is wasting no time building his own team at Old Trafford.